It's really coming down. It's like a blizzard. Look at this. Look at Aspen. Look at Aspen. Man, this is beautiful. It's like a blizzard. C'est chic. Look at the dogs. I mean, this is the street, and it's like, wow. What do you think, Aspen? Un poco social. Hey, Oliver, look at me. Can you hold the camera on me? Hey. Wow, what a blizzard. Hey. Hey, Aspen, you like the snow? What do you think? I mean, it's a whiteout. There you can see the snow against the trees. C'est chic, un poco social. Come here, boys. It's Fluffy. Wow. Aspen, Aspen. Oliver, you want to go this way? Wow. There's the pond. Feels like I'm in Colorado. The snow's so powdery. Now, if only the pond were frozen. Social Pokio. Hello. Hello, Aspen. Wow. I want to go skiing. Whoa. I want to go skiing. Aspen. Yeah, I hope I don't fall into like a... Now look at this. It's amazing. Are you that thirsty? Are you drinking the water, the snow? C'est chic. Here comes Oliver. Here comes Oliver. Do you like this? Do you like this?